So welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to create a book cover for Amazon on Canva. So you come here and select the book size. So if you are creating just just the front cover, you can use the same size as the book. If you are creating for a book of 6 by 9 inches, you can use 6 by 9 to 6 by 9. So it depends on the book size. So but if you are using, you want to create the complete cover on Canva, which is the back and the front and the spine, you have to go use Amazon calculator to calculate the size of a cover. So let's get started. So what I'm doing is to get image from from Pixabay or on, on Splash or different online platform, but I really love using Pixabay. So you can get a picture that relates to the book idea from Pixabay, which I've done already. So and you can upload it here on your file using this upload button here. I've already uploaded it. So you just move to the edge and just expand to the end to fit on the idea you want. So okay, what I'll do next is to add text. Click on the add button, also move backward, click on text. So you can just click on that. So what I'll do next is to can move it up a little bit, depends on how you want to do it. So move here. So I want to change the text color to something white is better for me. I think white is a little bit better. So you can now type in your text. You can say okay, Christmas. So I want to use uppercase letter all through. It does not really matter what you want to use, depends on your own preference. Stories. So I can move it using by clicking on it. So I just want to expand that a little bit. So I really prefer, like, I like my theme to be thick. So you can click on undo if you make any mistake. So you can make it thick. That is increase the, which I've done already. Okay, let's say I like this way. I can choose the one that suits you, but I think I prefer this one. Okay, I'll go with this. So what I'm gonna do now is you can also change the font size and the font family. You can change that. You can change that. I think I love it this way. So what you can do now is that you can change the style also. If you want to use heading, I prefer this heading. So that is how to create your book cover. So but I just want to quickly make the video a little bit short, so you can do a lot of things here. You can just explore more ideas can from here and decide to make it suit what you want. So you can decide to choose another font family. There are a lot of font family here. Just pick what you feel is okay for you. You can select a lot of them here. Just pick what is okay for you. And I just want to make the video short. So after picking what is okay for you, I'm going to redesign this font to suit what I need. But I don't want to create a long video that you begin to. You can place it here also. You can add another one as your author name. You can just add something amazing here. Let's imagine I'm done with creating this, which I will continue creating later just to save time on the video. You can now download it. You cannot download it. So click on this icon here and click on download. So make sure you download as JPEG file. Select as JPEG format. Don't download as PNG. But if you are downloading, if it's a full cover, not just front cover, if it's the full cover, you download as PDF print. Yes, you download as PDF. I will show you why later when we're uploading the book to Amazon. So you have to just click on download, and it will process it in a couple of minutes, and it will be downloaded to your folder. So you can keep that and use. We're going to use that later during uploading the content. So I'm going to stop the video now, and you can see you can add a lot of functionality. You can decide to even add to just make sure this thing is very wide. There's a lot of things you can do even just using one image. You can see what I'm achieving now. So you can see how the book now looks. Just be creative what you are doing. I don't want to make the video to be long. That's why I'm just doing something. So you can be creative. You can just scroll your image. Just be creative with what you are doing. So that's all for this video. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how to upload this book now to Amazon. So you can decide to change the front desk, just a lot of things. Just do something that is amazing for you, and you are going to see that it's going to work properly for you. You can change this, select what works perfectly for your book. So that's all for this video.